Now I am going to introduce the system of circles. In this, already you learned about the angle between the two circles and the condition for the orthogonality. And let us see the next topic, that is family of circles. See here, if the two circles are intersect one another at two different points, say PQ, let us say the circle equation is, the first circle I want to say that S1 is equal to 0 and the second circle S2 is equal to 0, right? And join the line PQ. Okay, I want to draw the circles which are passing through the points P, Q, how many circles can I draw from this? We can draw number of circles passing through this P and Q, which are the intersect points of the two circles. S1 is equal to 0 and S2 is equal to 0. Okay, let us recall that if the two lines are they are intersecting, this is the intersecting point of two lines. L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0. How many lines you can draw passing through the point P? You can draw number of lines. Okay, what is the equation of this? These lines are called the family of lines. This family of lines equation is L1 plus lambda into L2 is equal to 0. This you know in the straight lines chapter in the first year. Okay, similarly we also draw the number of circles which are passing through the two intersecting points of the circles. Okay, then these are called the family of circles. Its equation is S1 plus lambda into S2 is equal to 0, where lambda is not equal to minus 1. Lambda is not equal to minus 1. If lambda is equal to minus 1, what happens? Then S1 minus S2 is equal to 0. That denotes the equation of common chord. Equation of common chord. This PQ line is chord to the circle 1 and circle 2. That concept we have to learn in the next session. Okay. For this, S1 plus lambda into S2 is equal to 0 gives you the family of circles. The equation of family of circles which are passing through the intersect points of two circles. S1 is equal to 0 and S2 is equal to 0 is S1 plus lambda into S2 is equal to 0 for any value of lambda except minus 1. Okay, right? You observe that what is the equation like this? S1 is equal to 0 is x square plus y square plus 2g1x plus 2f1y plus c1, and the S2 is x square plus y square plus 2g2x plus 2f2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This also in the shape of 1 plus lambda into x square plus 1 plus lambda into y square plus 2g1 plus 2 lambda g2 into x plus 2f1 plus 2 lambda f2 into y plus c1 plus lambda c2 is equal to 0 mod. This is also in the form of the circle. Why? Because here the x square coefficient and y square coefficients are same, and also xy term is absent. That's why this chosen term gives us the equation of circle which passing through the intersect points of two circles. Okay, for different values of lambda, different circles you get. Okay, he asked that find the equation of circle passing through the point of intersection of two circles. Then you have to use the formula of this. And they also given that any other point it passing through so and so. Why? Because which circle you specifically ask that we want to say. And then we have to given the other point also. Let us see one example on this. Okay, take down this. What is the important thing is here? S1 plus lambda S2 is equal to 0. This you have to remember. See one example on this. Find the equation of the circle. Equation of the circle which passes through the point 0, -3 and intersect the circles x square plus y square minus 6x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus x minus 7y is equal to 0. How do you solve this? The equation of the circle 1, that is called S1 is equal to 0 and this is S2 is equal to 0. Say that the equation of circle is S1 plus lambda into S2 is equal to 0. Say this one is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 3y plus 5 plus lambda into x square plus y square minus x minus 7y is equal to 0. Right. And also I given that it passes through the point, what is the point? That is 0 comma minus 3. 0 comma minus 3. You substitute here, x is 0, so this one is 0, plus y square is 9, minus 6 into 0, plus 3 3 are 9, minus 9, plus 5, plus lambda into, this also 0, plus this one is 9, minus 0, minus 7 into minus 3 is plus 21 is equal to 0. This gives you 5, 9 minus 9 get cancelled, 30 lambda is equal to minus 5, then lambda is minus 1 by 6. Okay, now the required circle equation is, can you tell? X square plus y square minus 6x plus 3y plus 5 plus lambda into, lambda is minus 1 by 6, so I am writing like this, minus 1, this multiplied with 6, whole LCM is 6 is equal to 0, that 6 goes to there, that cancels, minus 1 into x square plus y square minus x minus 7y is equal to 0, is it? Then this one is 6x square minus x square is 5x square, and 6y square minus y square is 5y square, then minus 36x plus 1x is minus 35x, right? Next 6 3 is 18y plus 7y, 25y plus 6 5 is 30 is equal to 0 is our required circle equation. If you divide with 5, what you get? X square plus y square minus 7x plus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0 is our required circle equation. You understand this? Okay. Once again you look this. Find the equation of the circle which passes through the point 0 comma minus 3 and intersect the circles x square plus y square minus 6x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0 and this one. Right? What we are taking? S1 plus lambda into S2 is equal to 0. Why? Because it passing through the intersect points of the two circles. And then it passes through 0 comma minus 3. By using this I find the value of lambda and then substitute. Okay, I will get the answer. Look at the other concept. If the circle have the circle S is equal to 0 and a line L is equal to 0 are intersected at two different points, say P, Q. Then how many circles can I draw passing through the P, Q? This is one circle. And like this, and like this also, we can draw many more circles which are passing through the shoe. Okay, these are called the system of circles and family of circles. Okay, then how you can write the equation of the family of circles? Equation of family of circles passing through the point of intersections of a circle and a line. Circle is S is equal to 0 and the line is L is equal to 0. Say this L is equal to 0 is Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. This is my L. And S is equal to 0 is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Then this equation is S plus lambda into L is equal to 0. Okay, for lambda any value. Okay, for all lambda. Here what happens? The circle equations is this one. Here you observe that S is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c plus lambda into my L is Lx plus My plus N is equal to 0. This also in the form of the general equation of the circle, like x square plus y square plus 2g plus lambda L into x plus 2f plus lambda m into y plus c plus lambda n is equal to 0 form. Right? Here the center of the coming circle is minus of 2g plus lambda L by 2 comma minus of 2f plus lambda m by 2. Right? This is also represents a circle equation. Okay, is it not? So let us take another example on this. What is the formula here? S plus lambda L is equal to 0. For the two circles, if the two circles are intersect, what is the formula? S1 plus lambda into S2 is equal to 0. Okay? See one example on this. See the example on that. If the straight line straight line 2x plus 3y is equal to 1 intersect the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 at the points A and B, the points A and B, then find the Then find the equation of the circle having AB as diameter. Right? Let us see how we can solve this. Here, given that this is a line equation, L is equal to 0, and this one is the circle equation, S is equal to 0. What is the equation of circle? The equation of circle passing through the intersect points of a line and a circle is S plus lambda into L is equal to 0. Okay. What is S here? X square plus Y square minus 4 plus lambda into the line equation is 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Right? This you can, and given that its center, the equation of the circle having AB as diameter. AB as diameter means the center of this circle lies on the line AB. What is my line AB? The straight line is 2x. See this. This is the AB, right? So this line is 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. On this line, you have the center of the required circle. So, my required circle may be like this. My center is on this, okay? That it says. The required circle center of this line is, center of this equation is, what is that? Minus g comma minus here. So, minus lambda. Here you have the 2gx as 2 lambda x. So, minus g comma minus here. So, that is minus 3 by 2 lambda is my center of this circle, required circle. What he says, it lies on the diameter. And AB has diameter. So it lies, given that it lies on the line 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. This implies 2 into minus lambda plus 3 into minus 3 by 2 lambda minus 1 is equal to 0. This is nothing but, if 2 is LCM, minus 4 lambda. This one is minus 9 lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. That gives us, it goes to that side, 13 lambda. So lambda is equal minus 2 by 13. Okay. You substitute this lambda is equal to minus 2 by 13 in this equation 1. You get the required circle equation. What it may be? It is I want to write here, please see. X square plus y square minus 4 plus lambda is minus 2 by 13 into 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0 gives you 13 into x square, 13x square plus 13y square. Next minus 2 to the 4x minus 2 to the 6y, and then the numbers are minus 52 and this one is plus 2 gives you minus 50 by 13 is equal to 0. 13 is cancelled. The required circuit equation is this one. Is it?